I've just finished making a tortoise table or tortoise table, and it's here behind me. It's about 5 foot long, 2 foot or so wide, 2 foot 6 high off the ground. So quite a large model, larger than you can buy in shops. I'll give you a brief tour of it now. It's inspired by ones I saw online on Amazon and other places. You've got the main living area for the tortoise down here, with a ramp up to the upper levels, the conservatory as I call it. This bracket here is for the light, but I'll go something like that on the back. This lid here lifts out. It's got galvanised mesh on the bottom to keep things out, basically keep the tortoise in. And you've got a pretty decent space there. The two halves of this extension are held on with toggle clamps. I've got to do a bit more painting here before I deliver it, because that's not good enough. But yeah, clips in place. And that lifts away for cleaning and access, that sort of thing. There is a lid on here as well. That folds back and getting there for access and cleaning. On the roof here, this just lifts off. It's hard to do with one hand. I've got some blocks in there that slide inside. This is like what they have currently, lid on here for the bedroom. That lifts out of the corner, cut out of my finger to get in there. And again, for cleaning out the bedroom area, you've got good access in there. That just sits in place. What they're getting now is much superior. And the four legs on here are screwed on with machine screws, so I've got a threaded insert into the plywood of the box. That means that when I'm getting it in the van, I can unscrew the legs easily, put it in the van, unload it, reassemble it. It's only 18mm plus 18mm, so there's not a lot of material to bite into, and the threads could wear out over time. If they move house in the future, they can just unscrew it again, load it, unload it, reassemble it without worrying about the screw threads. So I think it's done pretty well. I've done it far too cheap, to be honest with you. It's been quite nice making it. There's a PVC acrylic front on here, so you can see inside. I've used a water-based paint as well. My favourite one at the moment, if I can find the tin amongst my mess, is by Johnston's. It's not cheap, but it gives a very nice finish. Johnston's Aquaguard, brilliant white. It's good for wiping down. It dries quite quickly. Yeah, water-based, easy to clean up. It's been quite nice making it, but as you can see in this space and the state of it, I've not got a lot of room to get around. So I look forward today to delivering this after a bit of paint and tidying up. Yeah, thanks for watching.